Hey everyone, hello and welcome to Talk with Andy. So today I am really excited while making this video because only 4 to 5 days left for the Hacktoberfest, and trust me, this program is totally great if you are a beginner in this open source or want to start the open source journey. Trust me, this program is really going to help you. I will tell you everything as well as I will share my experience regarding open source, how I have started and contributed a lot in the GitHub and done a lot in the GitHub by creating many repositories. That all things started from this Hacktoberfest 2020, right? When I was at second year, I have started this. जब मुझे पता चला ऐसा भी कुछ प्रोग्राम है एंड देयर वाज अ गुडीज सो एवरीवन वाज बिट एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस एंड लाइक उससे पहले मैं उतना ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं करता था बट आफ्टर दिस प्रोग्राम I contributed a lot on GitHub. So I will share my journey as well as if possible I can make another video regarding like creating of a repository on GitHub where you can contribute and I will accept every valid pull request, right? So I will tell you everything, what are the pull requests, how many pull requests you need to spend or you need to do here for getting the swags, and what are the kind of swags you will get if you like complete Hacktoberfest this time, right? So I think without wasting time, let's get started. So welcome back. This time this is their official website for Hacktoberfest 2021, and what to sum up in a short term or in a simple words, so Hacktoberfest is a beginner friendly open source program where you can contribute or you can create 4 valid pull requests so that you can get t-shirt or other kind of goodies which they provide, okay, in a minimal amount of time. That's it. Okay, so this program is totally beginner friendly, and you can see website is looking very beautiful, and you can see the timestamp. So only 4 day 20 hour and 8 minute and 22 second left as I am recording as of now. If you see this video at another day, the time will definitely change. Okay, so the main thing, it will start on 1st of October and will continue up to the last of the October, right? So you can definitely see the stats. So this is the like participant stats and participating repositories, and 135 country represented this thing. So who can join? So anyone, right? If you are a university student or anything, right? If you use GitHub, that's it, you can contribute in a open source. Like open source doesn't do any kind of partiality with anyone can contribute. Okay, so यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी कंपनी भी रजिस्टर है, आप उसमें भी कंट्रीब्यूट करके अलग से एक्स्ट्रा स्वैग्स भी ले सकते हैं, राइट? सो आई विल शो यू द कंप्लीट लिस्ट अबाउट द कंपनीज एंड द स्वैग्स विच you will get in this channel, right? Meanwhile, if you want to know more in a written form, so I have written a blog on a dev. I will provide the link, you can read more about it, right? So this is a very good and a simple blog, so you can learn more about it. Okay, so अब start करते हैं Hacktoberfest 2021 के बारे में. So basically you can see here it is written, open source is changing the world, one contributing at a time. That's totally true, right? So if you see the timestamp, timestamp तो आपने देख लिया. So अब देखते हैं यहाँ पे different kind of swags which you will get, right? So as I have told you, this program or this event is hosted by DigitalOcean from 8-year continue, and they are providing you the school t-shirt and the stickers. So 4 valid pull requests to any participating public repository on GitHub. So last time spam बहुत हुए थे, so उसके वजह से they have like introduced some new norms लास्ट ईयर. आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस ईयर, राइट? सो वो तो प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट होने के बाद ही पता चलेगा, राइट? सो जब उनकी वेबसाइट पूरी ओपन होगी, राइट? सो बेसिकली लास्ट टाइम वी हैव गॉट लाइक टी शर्ट एंड अ स्टिकर. सो आई विल शो यू द स्टिकर. दिस आर द स्टिकर्स एंड दैट्स टोटली कूल, राइट? Okay, so this is for DigitalOcean plus sponsorship, right? So you can see you will get a t-shirt, or you can plant a tree if you want. If you don't want t-shirt, you can also do that, but many of you want t-shirt, I know that, right? And you will definitely get stickers. And okay, these are the company which are this time like participating, and there are verified participants. They are participating this time, and if you contribute according to their according to their norms, you will get this swags. Like okay, so if I take example of Kamuda, So if you participate, who contribute the Kamura challenge from October 1 to 31 will earn a limited edition Kamura X Hacktoberfest 2021 t-shirt as well as Nifty sticker, right? So if like आपको ये तो मिलेगा ही, right? एक टी-शर्ट और स्टिकर्स तो मिलेगा ही, but you will also get this much amount of swags as well. And if you like, आपको यहाँ पे officially इसमें sign up करना पड़ेगा, then only you are eligible to do that, right? And another one is Globo. Here you can do a 2 pull request, or you can minimum the 2 pull request or 1 pull request, any repository on globo.com. Please note that delivery might be limited to Brazil. Oh, okay, so if you are an Indian, you will definitely not get it, right? So don't worry. Jenkins is also participating. I will provide every single links to you. You can learn more about it, right? Best thing, you can get swags for participating in the open source. And if I share my experience as well, I was in second year and I don't know anything about open source, right? I get to know about this fest from my seniors, and I start contributing in it and created nearly 8+ pull requests and got swags from the DigitalOcean and Hacktoberfest, right? And that was too cool. T-shirt was too cool, right? I still wear it. Okay, jokes apart, so Kong, if your pull request to Kong was accepted and it fixed a bug, add functionality or make it significantly easier to use or understand Kong, congratulations, you are eligible to receive the very special Kong t-shirt. So 3 t-shirts हो गए, ठीक है? Hacktoberfest की, कॉन्ग की एंड कमुड़ा की, राइट? और भी यहाँ पे लाइक के पास पार्टिसिपेंट्स दे आर अनवेरीफाइड. आई डोंट नो दे आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग दिस टाइम और नॉट, बट दिस टाइम दिस मच इज अ वेरीफाइड. अगर आप इतना कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं सो यू विल गेट स्वैग्स, टी शर्ट्स, एवरीथिंग. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग, ये आपको मोटिवेट करते हैं, भले गुडीज दे रहे हैं बट आपको मोटिवेट करते हैं to contribute in a open source. Last time बहुत spam हुआ था, that was not good, right? This time make sure that you seriously do this and earn the swags accordingly, right? So if possible, I will make another video regarding like creation of a repository on GitHub where you can contribute. You can contribute according to their norms and I will accept every valid pull request, right? So don't worry about that. So that was all for today's video. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा हैक्टोबरफेस्ट एक्चुअली में है क्या, आपको करना क्या रहता है. कुछ नहीं करना है. टू सम अप एवरीथिंग, यू नीड टू क्रिएट 4 वैलिड पुल रिक्वेस्ट इन एनी ऑफ द गिटहब रिपोजिटरी अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर नॉर्म्स, राइट? उनके लाइक मेथोडोलॉजी और उनके जो नॉर्म्स, उनके जो प्रिंसिपल्स रहेंगे, आपको उस हिसाब से कंट्रीब्यूशन करना है, राइट? दैट्स इट. एंड एट लास्ट व्हेन यू डू दैट, सो आप वहाँ पे फिर लास्ट में मतलब 14 डेज का वेरिफिकेशन पीरियड रहता है कंट्रीब्यूशन के बाद. आफ्टर 14 days you will get like, if your pull request is valid, you will get a form where you can fill it and add the address, और फिर आपको swags आपके घर पे आ जाएगा. लास्ट टाइम it was a COVID situation, so delivery have taken so late. I don't know about this time. अगर सारा चीज़ सही रहा तो you will get t-shirt fast and you can like उसकी पिक्चर क्लिक करके आप लिंक्डइन या कहीं भी सोशल मीडिया में शेयर करके कूल बन सकते हैं. दैट्स इट, राइट? एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट मोटिवेशन रिगार्डिंग ओपन सोर्स. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप इसमें अच्छे से कंट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं तो आपको ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन की लत लग जाएगी. ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग आई एवर like encounter with it, right? And I contribute a lot. Meanwhile, you can follow me on GitHub. I will provide you the link, right? I will provide every single link. Don't worry, you need to explore it by yourself. And I have given you a way, so आप इसको पढ़ सकते हैं, right? So all background and skill level are encouraged to complete the challenge. That's it. You can like learn more about it. आप यहाँ पे इनका resources, homes और events भी देख सकते हैं. So I guess that's sufficient for today's video. You can get a lot from this video if you learn something, right? So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा so do like, share and subscribe because it get motivation. It provide me a motivation to make new content for you. Meanwhile, you can like read more about this event in this blog, right? And I will share you the link, don't worry. So that's all for today's video. Meanwhile, you enjoy and God bless you and do open source contribution. That's it, totally. That's it. Tata, bye bye. God bless you.